Hello friends, many of us like gardening but it can be very challenging. Tropical Indian environment is hot and it further increases the issues. We love plants but we need to water them. What happens in the daily city life? We get busy and plants die. So how to water them often? We love plants but daily watering the plants can become a job rather than a hobby. And worst may happen when we are away, for example on a holiday, and plants die because of no water. What we can do is we can request our neighbors, but that does not help many times, and I have done it because they just forget, and it's your plant, not theirs. We can hire somebody for this job, which costs money, and privacy issues could be there if somebody is entering your house to make the water to the plants. After many dead plants and seeing many issues, I searched for solutions. I tried and tried for bottle method, but it did not work as still I need to fill water in 3 days or so. I wanted a long permanent solution. And here is what I found, and it is working for more than a year now. I'm using it and I claim that it can work. What it does it eliminates daily watering by making it automatic, and there is no dead plant when you are away. You can be away for 1 year, you can go for a world tour, no issues. No requesting to neighbors, no hiring and privacy issues will be there. I searched a lot and found following solutions. And this has two steps. First is make a pipe system for drip irrigation. It will make manual watering easy for you. Second step is put a automatic control system so that watering can be done automatically up to 1 year. Let's see what's the step one. I found that M drip kit drip irrigation system is very useful. I'm using it for 2 years now and without any issues. For 1 year it's working flawlessly and just need to change the batteries. Amazon link for buying this kit is given separately. So what comes in this kit is something like this. There are numerous parts like there is end cap, stakes, adapter, elbow, emitter for watering, and there is a hole punch, pin connector is there. Then there are dummy plugs just in case you need to plug the holes. There are straight connectors to connect two pipes, and at the end if you not need to plug the big pipe, there is end cap, straight connector, P connector. There are numerous things that's happening. So how it looks like when it will be done will be there are, for example, ports on this side. There will be a pipe running, say 16 pipe, and from that pipe there will be small pipes, 4 pipe going into the plant like this, and drop by drop this will be watering the plants. The main pipe and the filter pipe will be joined by something like a small connector here. Let's see how it works. So when you open the kit inside has tubes and other items, and the complete list is given separately. And there is an installation procedure in the kit. You can follow step 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9 and just start the installation. So in the first step, what we do is we arrange the plants in a line and make circuit with the pipe of 16 mm. If it is not a straight, then you can use a L. You can use taps in between two pipes. You can use T's to make more complex circuits. And at the end of the pipe, you can plug that pipe with the help of such kind of a connectors. You just bend the pipe and plug it like this. And near to the plant, we need to make a hole using the punch in the kit like this on the left hand side. The hole gets created, and if this hole is wrong, don't want to use it, you just plug it. Otherwise, you just install a 4 pipe with small connector into that hole, and the other end of this small 4 pipe will go into the emitter. Using a stake, you can put it into a pot. You can rotate this emitter clockwise or anti-clockwise to adjust the water flow. And using an adapter, connect the tap to the pipe and open tap and just start the system. So you have done the step 1. You can water all the plants with just one tap opening. Every day or after a few days, what you can do is just open this tap and watering will be done. Then we go to the step number 2. What we need to do is we need to put an electronic automatic system. We need to order, and this order link is given as the Amazon link separately in the blog site, and also with the information of the video. There are A, B, C, D, E, these kind of pieces to be ordered. And when you order it, the one thing that's very important is that you will get this kind of a water timer. There is a frequency on the left and run time, how much time you want to run and at what frequency. You need to connect this system with the help of a filter and a connector, and from here onwards you can connect it to the pipe, the watering pipe that you have already installed in step 1. So there are few elements of this system. One is faucet connection, it goes to the tap. There is a low battery indicator, time delay function button is there, then a frequency dial, runtime dial, hose connection, output basically, and there is battery cover. The cells are inside this. Rotating the dials of frequency and runtime. On the frequency you can select every day, every 12 hour, every 1 week, how frequent the watering should be done. And on the right hand side you can select up to 120 minutes how much time it should be running. So what you can do is setting the runtime now. Please set it like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, how much water will be running, and then fixing the frequency and time. Then go to the every 3 hour, every 5 hour, every 6 hour, you can check up to 1 week. If you have set it, the system will give a small sound and will be set up. Now you can just forget to water around for a year. You just need to be careful about the battery. Once in a week or once in a month you can just check the battery. If battery is not blinking, system is working. Just forget about watering and enjoy your holidays without watering, and enjoy your garden without watering. So it's done automatically. Thank you.